The camera.
We've been working on wanting to flip over today. Uh-oh, we're getting angry.
You don't like to.
Hi, Edison. Oh, Edison.
It's a camera. You will be fine. Rita will take in a picture. Right, Mom?
Uh-huh. Hey, you.
Hey.
There's another set of French doors and the screen doors that lead off to the side porch. And this
Wow. He moved.
into the kitchen and open it up with
He.
this large case open. Do a really cool nice dining fixture and then remove the from ceilings. It's a great
Almost.
take them outside, check.
You did it. You did it.
You did it.
Good job.
Good job. I really want to be in the picture because we can do this. I can't do this.
Hey, you.
Hey,
You did it. You flipped over.
yeah, you did. Okay, you're going to be the cutest in the whole wide world.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.